Beautiful friends, welcome again to the backyard garden with me. As you guys know, the backyard, I removed everything. The reason I remove everything from the backyard, guys, is because I want to sell this house. But because of the market, guys, things are really going slow, and I also have a few lowing, offer I didn't like. That's the reason, guys, I'm still here. But I really, really love this place. Except I feel like I need more space to have a big garden. When I say a big garden, guys, a big garden, that's what I want. That's the reason I'm moving here. But it's not because I don't like this house. I love this house. But I feel I need to have more place, more lengths for me to gardening. That's my passion. That's what make me happy, and that's what I want. That's what I take the risk and put this house on the market, and it's not going well for me, but I have patience. With God help, I know I will have the right buyer will come and buy my house. And I also, guys, I need to come back here. There's a lot of little seedling thing who keep pushing back out. And I have somebody come here fixing off this side of the gate right here. That's the reason I didn't pressure wash it yet. As you can see, I pressure wash those side, but this side I can't do it yet because I'm waiting for someone to come clean it out. And this grape tree, guys, going nuts. I need to come here fix that arch. And yes, and also, guys, look at this. This peach tree is pitching out. When I said pitching out, she giving me a lot of peach. A lot of peach, but that's not even the first time she is give you the peach. The first flowers she have, the cold weather kill it, and now she flush for a second time, and this time the weather was so hot. Sorry, guys. And as you can see here, I have a lot of sugar cane again going here on some tile, fruits growing here, and a lot of sweet potatoes. I have to come back here to remove them because if I let them go, they will go crazy. I need to bring that rose to my friend's house and to clean here a little bit more. Look at my patio, guys. I pack up all my garden furniture over there. Oh my God. Look at this. And one of my favorite tree, I don't know what to do with it, is a eucalyptus stick. This leaves smell so good. I don't know what else to do. I'm trying to make that little nice arrangement here, but it is what it is. It is what it is here, guys. And this mulberry guy has been pushing out a lot of mulberry, and I think I need to come here and trim her to see if I can make more cording with her. And I also want to bring out some of those fountain, bring them to where I can empty the garden a little bit more. But guys, this is what's happened in this backyard here. Look at this. And my yard, guys, is not a small one. I have a good yard, space of yard. But except me, I have a lot of flowers. I have a lot of plants. I have a lot of plants. That means I have to have chicken more. I need to have chicken more back on the garden. I need to be able to have some goat. Listen, I love nature. I love animal. I love anything that can calm me down. I mean, I was off yesterday. I woke up early, and then that's what I've been doing. Working in the garden like this, guys, is peaceful. When I said peaceful, peaceful. Look at this. Look at this bridge and this thing over there. They really, really look nice. Except I need to make more, fix it a little bit more, or pull all those stuff out, because it is that. Thank you, friends, for watching.